Hey everyone, welcome back to SSWars, your one-stop solution for smart earning and smart living. This is Sehbaz Sultani. If you haven't watched episode 1, please pause this video and watch that first because episode 1 was about preparing your mind and today episode 2 is about preparing your life. Let me say something clearly. Motivation will not save you in 2026. Hard work alone will not save you. Only skills plus smart moves will. Today's episode is for students, working professionals, dreamers, strugglers, anyone who wants to win, not just survive in 2026. So listen carefully. Why skills matter more than ever? Let's talk reality. Degrees are everywhere, certificates are everywhere, but value is rare. In 2026, companies won't ask what you studied. They'll ask what you can do. AI will replace basic works, repetitive tasks, average skills, but AI cannot replace creative thinkers, decision makers, problem solvers, high skill humans. If you don't upgrade your skills, you won't be unemployed. You will be irrelevant. And irrelevance is more dangerous than unemployment. Stop being a generalist, become valuable. Most people want to do everything. Business, job, trading, content, learning. This creates zero mastery. In 2026, specialists will dominate. You don't need 10 skills. You need one skill done extremely well. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Who will pay for that solution? Can I become top 10% in this skill? Average people compete on price. Skilled people choose their price. Don't chase money, chase value. Money will follow value. High value skills for 2026. Let me give you clarity. You don't need to do all of these. Choose one or two maximum. Communication and influence. If you can speak well, sell well, present well, you will never be poor. Communication beats talent. Sales and negotiation. Every business, every company needs sales. If you can sell products, ideas yourself, you win. Digital skills. Example, content creation, video editing, copywriting, digital marketing, AI tools usage, online skills, location freedom. Business thinking, not just running a business. Think like an owner, understanding cost, profit, system, scale. Investing and money management, not gambling, not shortcuts. Understanding cash flow, risk, long-term thinking. Choose wisely, commit deeply. Rule number 2, multiple income, multiple confusion. Everyone talks about multiple income streams, but nobody talks about multiple income confusion. Listen carefully. First, build one strong income. Only when it becomes stable, then expand. Most people do job plus business plus trading plus YouTube and fail in all. In 2026, one solid income, one backup plan, one long-term asset, that's enough. Stability first, expansion later. Job versus business, the smart thinking. Let's clear confusion. Job is not bad. Business is not magic. The problem is mindset. If you do a job, learn skills, build network, save capital. If you do business, learn system, accept risk, think long term, never be arrogant, never be careless. A smart person uses a job to build a future. A foolish person uses excuses to avoid responsibility. Choose wisely. Big mistakes that will destroy your 2026. Please listen to this carefully. Chasing quick money. No skill, no sustainability. Comparing your journey. Comparison kills confidence. Comfort addiction. Comfort today, struggle tomorrow. Ignoring health. No energy, no success. Living without a plan. If you don't plan your life, life will plan problem for you. Avoid these mistakes and you are ahead of 80% people. Smart action plan for 2026. Here is a simple system. Step 1. Choose one skill. Research, decide, commit. Step 2. Learning daily. 1 to 2 hours, no breaks. Step 3. Apply publicly. Freelance, intern, create content. Step 4. Monetize slowly. Low money, high learning. Step 5. Scale in 2026. Now you are ready. No rush, no shortcut. Just progress. This was episode 2. In episode 3, we will go deeper. How to win in 2026. Discipline, health and daily systems. We will talk about daily routine of winners, mental toughness, how to stay consistent, how to beat laziness and fear. Because skills without discipline still fail. If you are still watching this, I respect you. That means you are serious. Remember, 2026 will not ask where you come from. It will ask what you become. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be prepared. Like this video, comment I am preparing to win in 2026. Subscribe to SSWars. This is Sehbaz Sultani and I'll see you in the next episode.